Okay, my name is Mark Hirst, Tuilau. I come from the small South Pacific island of Fiji, and some months ago I was doing some research on trying to fix my heart problem, which was a slow heart rate, and I came across Vaidam Consulting here in I got in touch with them on the internet, and they were very helpful. She did give me several options, but I chose Medicover here in Hyderabad. I then flew across. They organised all the flights for me, more so to do with the documentation for being able to fly. The whole time that I've dealt with Vaidam, they've been extremely professional. They got me right through the system at the hospital very quickly. I was tested with ECGs, EKGs, stress tests, blood tests, everything, pretty much within the first 2 days of being here. And then on the Saturday, after I'd worn a heart monitor for 3 days, the decision was made to have a pacemaker installed, and I was in surgery on Monday. That was 2 weeks ago. Since then, they've been extremely helpful with getting me sorted out. Not just so it was the hospital, but also like an Indian SIM card, how to work Swiggy, how to get onto Uber, all the things that I had no idea how to do when I first came here to India. So I can't speak highly enough of what the guys have done, how they've looked after me, and how they still continue to look after me until I leave. And I would recommend them to anyone if they came to India and needed to get medical treatment done. Thank you.